Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Want to increase your website traffic and boost your profits through social media? You're in the right place with the world's smart video tool, where you can make eye-catching promotional content without downloads and installations. It's the ideal solution for creating and reselling the super complete DIY cinematic video animations to an unlimited audience, starting right now. Imagine! Today, you can effortlessly produce and sell eye-catching video templates to your customers. No need for downloading and installing files. Just access, edit, export, and sell them to your customers. Video is a powerful tool for marketing success. But the problem is, how can we create and market digital products without the complexities of downloading, installing templates, and handling various common issues? Introducing MOTIOMATIC Volume 2. MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 is a top series collection of cutting-edge animation templates that allows you to effortlessly create cinematic videos without the hassle of downloading and installing anything. You can use Canva free account to edit all the elements, including text, images, videos, and background music. Simple. Nothing to download and install files. Watch as your cinematic video captivates your audience within the first few minutes. No more create yourself, no more worries, no more time wasted, and no need to buy extra assets. MOTIOMATIC series includes all the essential tools you require to capture the buyer's interest through cinematic video alignment, all while utilizing the Canva free account. And the most fantastic part is, you can effortlessly resell MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 templates without downloading and uploading files. Just copy and paste the link. Check out our templates. Module number 1, Movie Style Video Templates. Module number 2, Cinematic Quote Animation Templates. Module number 3, Promo Style Video Animation Templates. Module number 4, Square Video Animation Templates. Module number 5, Stories Video Animation Templates. Module number 6, Opener Video Animation Templates. Module number 7, Outro Video Animation Templates. Module number 8, YouTube Subscribe Animation Templates. Module number 9, YouTube Thumbnail Design Templates. Module number 10, YouTube Cover Design Templates. Just 3 simple steps using MOTIOMATIC Volume 2. Step number 1, log in and select a template. Step number 2, edit template with Canva free account. Step number 3, export. If you want to sell, just copy and paste MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 template link. And your templates are ready to sell in a few seconds. The best part is, you will get resell rights license only for this launch period. So you can keep 100% profits you make by selling MOTIOMATIC Volume 2. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality cinematic videos for your business. MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 helps you countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access MOTIOMATIC Volume 2 with special discount prices and resell rights license.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.